Motherfucker. You invaded my lane, bro. Hey! There's a camera, bro. Hey! Look! There's a camera. Ma'am! You're on video, ma'am! You're on video! Watch yourself! Wow! Real son of a bitch, aren't ya?
Down at Roy and Gordon Road. Be careful if you're out there this morning, especially the taxis causing quite a problem. And traffic lights faulty in Brackenfell, Amandel and Bottler, and in Goodwood, Voortrekker and Talentro results. In your sports, Johan Ackerman describes the Crusaders pack as one of the best on the planet. They go head-to-head in the Super Rugby final tomorrow afternoon. Paris Saint-Germain have signed Neymar for a world record fee of 222 million euros, and Michel comes.
God.
It's always just a bunch of lane changes to do it. Whoa, you see that truck? Yeah. That blue car was trying to work past him?
Yep.
Now he's... Oh!
He's walking right in front of me. I'm just backing out.
That's him yelling.
Lily, he's chasing. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's like, I don't know what's up with him, but
he's walking now.
Oh, he's running down the middle of the road screaming. Something, I don't know what's wrong with him, but I have this all on video. Just so yeah, we're at 4th Street right now. 4th Street and Pine.
Okay, what type of vehicle are you in?
White Mazda. I'm like the one in the middle of the road backing up.
Okay, just be careful you don't hit this guy.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, so what's he screaming? He's just yelling like...
Okay, he just took a run at me. He just tried dive bombing onto the hood.
Okay, need you to get out of that area because
Yeah.
you don't know who this guy is.
More after this. Support for S-Town comes from Squarespace. Passion project, side hustle, new startup, whatever you want to call it, it's time to make it happen. So create a beautiful...
So I was involved in a hit and run accident leaving work today. As I'm coming up to the stoplight to get onto the highway right here, straight out of nowhere comes this guy. Hits my car like he was aiming for it. And conveniently enough, there just so happened to be a Chicago cop sitting right there who sees the whole thing and pulls up into the middle of the intersection to check it out. The driver that hits me backs up, and right about here it becomes clearly obvious that he's going to take off running and head straight for the highway. Gets on the ramp, that's just a few feet right there. The police back up to go chase him, but within a few feet you can see the brake lights turn on and he stops. I pull myself out of the middle of the intersection to go see what's going on, and if I need to wait for additional assistance or anything, as I pull around the corner I can see the cop is just sitting there and he's stopped, and I pull over and get out of my car to check out the damage. Upon talking to the police, they tell me that because he did not commit a felony in the offense, that they were unable to get onto the highway to chase him as it was out of their jurisdiction. Now, for instance, if he was maybe shooting at me, they said, then they would be able to go and chase him, but since that didn't happen, the guy gets away clean, and now I'm stuck with the bill.
The guy in the white car turned on purpose.